Chapter 47. Dear Carla, Hi, what colour shirt are you wearing today? I'm sorry I yelled at you. Guess what? I got 100% in my arithmetic test. Can you believe it? And I didn't rip it up. I would have sent it to you, but I can't because it's hanging on a wall in Mrs. Ebble's class. Do you like teaching kindergarten? I bet you're a good teacher. Ask them to draw pictures for you. You should teach them how to do somersaults too. Thanks for giving me back the book which you already gave me. I'm sending you a present too. It's a gift from the heart, so you can't return it. Love, yours truly, Love, Bradley. P.S. Her name is Ronnie. Bradley folded the letter and put it in the envelope. He wrote Carla's name on the outside and addressed it to Willowbend School. Ronnie gave Bartholomew a big hug and kiss. Well, goodbye everybody, she said. Goodbye, Ronnie, said everybody. I'll miss you, said Bartholomew. Bradley placed the little red rabbit with the broken ear inside the envelope. He stared out his window for a moment, then looked back down at the bulge in the envelope. He frowned, but it was an unusual frown. In fact, it might have been a smile.